Okay, hi everybody. We're playing the high-low game here too. Ooh, I'm down 1250. We're playing the high-low game, and this is how it works. You've got price action here, and this only works on markets that it's above your commission cost. Like say for example, the ES is 1250 a tick, but commissions are like $5 a tick, 3, 4, $5 a tick. Okay, so you can make money on a one tick trade. You can make money. So what you do is you're looking at this. You're looking at this thing, right? You're looking at the dome, and I'm seeing a bid quantity and ask quantity. What I want to do is I want to see. I want to say, okay, where is the bid and ask quantity greater or lesser? Okay. So, for example, at the price point that I'm at right now, oh, I'm in a short, aren't I? Probably gonna lose a tick on this deal. What I do is I look at this wherever I am. Okay, there's 26.90.50. Which way is it gonna go? I'm gonna go one tick to the side which is lesser the bid or the ask quantity. For example, right here, I've got 139 to the upside and 93 to the downside, so it's going to fall another tick. So I want to buy one there, and let's see if it comes back down. 139 and 60. See, so it dumped there. I wait for my fill. Let me get my fill off here, and we'll show you the setup again. Just waiting for that contract to get filled. You can do this on Globex hours. There we go. Okay, so you got it at 26.95. Which way is it going to go? Is it going to drop to 26.94.75, or is it going to go up to 26.95.25? Well, what I'm betting is that it's going to go up to 26.95.25 because the contracts are down here. See, and that's exactly what it did. Now I'm looking at this. The contracts are lower. What I can do is I can buy one here and I can sell one there. As long as this doesn't get out of balance, 132, 103. So next time it'll bounce right up to here, and I'll just wait for my fill. And we'll wait for that. And I usually put a protective stop a couple of ticks on one side or the other. I can do a sell stop there, and I'll do a sell stop. Say for example, a buy stop up here. Okay, so I got my stop loss set. 159, 150. I could break even on that, but I think it's gonna go up. So 69.96. It's gonna sit there and waffle back and forth. So market's going down just a little bit. I might get taken out on my stop loss here. Don't think so, but I might get taken out. So we'll see what happens. So I've got one long at this particular point. So 52, let's see, 156 and 143. It's going to go to the upside. It's going to go back to 26.95. Then we reevaluate. What happens is when we go to 26.95, it's going to say how many contracts. At the ask quantity is 98 contracts. The bid quantity is 54. So it's going to pop. It's going to keep sitting there bouncing back and forth between these guys, which is exactly what it's doing. Okay. So what I can do is I can get up here and get filled and just get out of this. I pay the $5 commission. So we're starting to see contracts stacking up here. So it might hit my stop loss. It might not. If I have more than a 20% discrepancy between the bid and the ask quantities, I'll play that. I'll play this game. Otherwise, it's not worth it, because what I can do is I can get, unless I've got built up a lot in that account, and I'm playing in sim today, then I can get stung pretty badly if I have several trades in a row go bad. But I usually don't. Okay, here we go. We're going to 64.102. It's going to come back down, so I'm waiting for a fill. There we go. Okay, we're filled. We're out of that. I cancel all my orders, and so we're back down. So it's going to go, let's see, 106.88. 83. It's kind of shifting around a little bit. Probably the Asians are getting more interested in this thing. So I would buy one there,
Filled.
sell one there.
Filled.
Ah, there we go. So I'm back up to 137.50. Sometimes you have to be really fast with this.
Filled.
There, and it's going to pop down to 75 because it's on the lower number. So I've got a fill for one contract, and I think you can see what's going on for one contract, and it should pop back
Filled.
down. Ah, got it filled. Okay, now it's going to come back up
Filled.
because it's 90 is less than 151, so it will pop back up there. So you can sit there and play this. You'll make your broker rich, but you'll make money too. You'll make $7.50 a trade. If you're say for example, if your commission is $5, it's $12.50 a tick. You'll make $7.50. So what you could do is you could sit there and trade, 2, 3, 4, 5 contracts in Globex, and yeah, you can make a little bit of pocket change with that. So if you need to build up your account, you certainly can do that. You certainly can sit here and play that game. Okay, there we go, filled. All right, so now I'm up to 162.50. If I wanted to make $200, I could sit here and play with this. There,
Filled.
there. I want to fill there, and then I'll wait until it pops up. And I could put a, let's see where we're at, 74.103. So I put a sell stop right there, and so I'll put my protective stops on either side of that, on either side of where I am. So if it pops down here, it takes out my stop loss. So I'll lose money on that one. You can lose 1 or 2 ticks depending. On this one, it's gone down. I expected it to go back up. I still expected to pop back up here, and I could get out of the trade, and I could pay that commission, just a $5 commission, but I'd still be up on paper. 95, 93. It still may pop up. 92, 93, 93, 93, 87, 95. So I would get out at this particular point. I just move that down and wait for it to pop up. So the next tick up or down, it should tick back up, and it'll get me out of my position, and then I can go play again. So okay, 162.50. Okay, so I buy and then I'll sell right there. And let's see if I can make that money back. So this can be fun. I just call it the high-low game, and it's just a game, and you can play it in sim. You can play it live if you wanted to. I've thought about automating that strategy, just haven't done it. But I have thought about automating it just to play with it. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this is how this particular thing works, the high-low strategy. And you can sit there and just kind of play with it all night long if you wanted to, or you just get bored and don't have anything else to do, you can play with it. So anyway, till next time, happy trading.